All right, we have green lights and green flags. Here he goes. Difficult under control. 2:17.5. I think he might have spit out the other side there. Let's see. That thing's up in the air more than it's down on all. Every time it touches down, he's got to reset it. That is unbelievable. Green Tractor. Was Jason Aldean, didn't he sing that song? All right. Had a shiny little feeling with the rat gun there. Sitting in the down, just a pussy to that. Donkey on barking ain't a wagon in there. That is our first fair pull of the day. 226 feet, 1 inch. Nice job. Don't know, stop it. The electric golf cart is not qualifying for a fair pull. I'll tell you what, you hook him up to the big green tractor, we'll do a pull off and see who wins. You might be wearing a little dirt. Look at the mound of dirt left behind the big green tractor. Our sled was digging into... All right, let's get ready to rock and roll. We're going to get the sled set to 0. It is. Green flags. Here we go. What do you think about that? He wanted to go in and have a beer. The sled does have the ability to just about stop anything with one lever.